Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. So, do you get angry when you see this screen on your mobile that this message was deleted? Okay, so you get conscious about what this person has sent to you. So, let's find a way to see this message. Okay, so before starting our video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, now let's get into our video. Okay, now let's suppose as this person sends me a message. Okay, so let's suppose this person sends me this message. Okay, and some other message. Okay, and he just sends this message to my number. Okay, and instantly he just deletes all these messages. Okay, so you can see that this person has deleted this message. Okay, and I will get his message. Okay, so as I have shown you that a person has sent me a message, so you can see here that this is writing a message that this message was deleted. Okay, here you can see that as that person instantly deleted his message, that's why I am not able to see his message. So let's see what he has sent to me. Okay, so for doing so you just have to go to Play Store. Okay, and just install an app, Notice app. Okay, just install this app. You can also download WhatsApp statuses. Okay, so I will just open it. Okay, and here you can see that all the WhatsApp notifications are saved in this. So this person, okay, yep, here you can see that this message was deleted, but I can see what he has previously sent to me. Okay, and here you can see that this person has sent me these messages. Okay, so you can also download WhatsApp statuses. Okay, so for doing so you just have to tap on any picture or video and you just have to click on this button. Okay, and here you can see that it is saved. So I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, goodbye.